Subscribe the channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Get ready. Start. Friends. Para. I am very glad to be present here this morning and to inaugurate this seminar. I remember this is after a long gap. We are having a seminar of this kind. I deem this a rare opportunity to have been able to discuss on the matter, especially in today's seminar. Para. This seminar to discuss parliamentary democratic forms of government is a very good move. I have looked at the heads of the discussions on which papers have been received. They are interesting aspects of parliamentary democracy, but it seems to me that they deal with somewhat superficial aspects of the question. Democracy, as a speaker just now said, is a means to an end. What is the end we aim at? I do not know if everybody will agree with me, but I would say the end is the good life for the individual. What form it should take can be argued about, but the good life certainly must imply certain satisfaction to the essential economic needs which will release him from continuous oppression and which will give him a chance to develop his creative facilities. Para. We must remember that even in England the franchise was strictly limited till recently. 20 or 30 years ago, a small percentage of the population had the vote. Even now, in quite advanced countries, women who form half of the population do not have the vote. Democracy in those countries is presumably male democracy. Para. I needed many struggles before democracy in the 19th century could widen out from the strict confines of certain classes. As the franchise was extended, the representatives chosen also ceased to belong to the higher classes. It is only in the last 30 years or so that adult franchise came into being in a number of countries. This period is not long enough really to tell us what the ultimate efforts of the universal branches are likely to be in solving problems. Problems are solved not merely by the structure of the government being good, but by the quality of human beings, their education, and their character. The machine can at best make it easier for these qualities to develop and remove any elements which suppress growth. Para. In the past, democracy has been taken chiefly to mean political democracy, roughly represented by the idea of every person having a vote. It is obvious that a vote by itself does not mean very much to a person who is down and out and starving. A person will be much more interested in food, clothing, and housing for him and for his family members than anything else. Para. I thank the organizers for this opportunity and wish the seminar all success. Stop.